lot of popularity around in the last few days is SPELL. In the past day, climbing by about 5%, you will see when we zoom out to the 7-day chart, well, this one is making those big gains, coming up from a price of about 0.011 if we have a look, all the way up to the 1.9 range, and this really has caught a lot of people's eyes. So in this video, whilst I am not a financial advisor and this is nothing but opinion, I want to give a quick rundown at what we are looking at and where we could be going from here. As always guys, make sure to leave a like and subscribe if you haven't already done so, but remember, like I said, I am not a professional. Now I'm going to try and make this one as quick as possible. We'll start off on the 1 day and we'll have a look at the trend that we are seeing. Overall, not too bad. We've seen a bit of a dip before initially taking off. Now from that point you will see we started off our range a little bit below where we currently are. This was at about 0.0176 for the exact figure, and from there we're actually rocketing up to our high of the day just below 0.0198. So yeah, big gains have been made even in the day. It's nice to see it being up. And in the past 5 you will see it's good that we also managed to break past this prior level that we had difficulty getting past, around the 0.0185 range, somewhere near that level, but we'll highlight levels of support and resistance more in just a moment. Now the past month is a mixed story. If you'd bought in at these lows, big profits would have been made, but obviously yes, it has been on the decline before it did initially take this rise, and from that it is coming back to where it really started off, still in the red by a small amount but not too much at all, and out to the 3 month you will see it's having that big push up, big cool off from there as you would expect, and now it does appear to be the case that we have fully cooled off. And now we've cooled off, the question is, where do we go from here? Well, let's move over to the more technical chart to gauge what we're looking at. We're going to start off again on the 5 day this time, highlighting key levels for this chart. Now you'll see for the bottom that we have seen, we don't really want to be dropping anywhere below the 0.0156 range in my opinion, as we have found a bottom there very recently, and again it has been a level in the past back here where we have found some support. Now this is on the 5 day, you will see we are a little bit away from that, so it would be ideal if we were able to just manage to find a support a bit higher up. For instance, we could be looking at a support at 0.0188. The reason for that is because we have found one both here and arguably here as well, and we have actually found a resistance at this level many times in the past. So we've seen a resistance both here, we've seen one here as well, so you will see we do have some history at that level, so I do hope it can remain as our current level of support. That would be ideal. Anyway, out to the 1 month you will see the story over here, highlighting some more key levels. We don't really want to see this one drop again below the point that I just highlighted, but as far as the breakouts potentially are, we're looking to ideally get above this point here where we've had difficulty in the past month or so. That's about 0.02. So again, from that point that would be a very high point to get to, but it's not too far away. But 2.1 would be ideal. Break past there and we're looking at highs for the month. Come out to the 3 month chart and you will see again we are starting to make that turnaround. We're looking to get above 2.16 as mentioned, to see a little bit of a breakout. So I think that really is possible, but really for this one right now, we're looking to see how long this growth will continue for. We've seen big growth in the past week, in the past month, so if we were to see a bit of consolidation here and there, I wouldn't see that as too big of a deal at all, even if we were to see a small drop. But I have highlighted the key levels that I have seen. Again, we are a while away from a few of these. And again, if we can break past this point here, coming into 2, that would be perfect. And we're not too far away from that, so perhaps it may happen tomorrow. As always guys, I'll be back to give you another quick update again, so if you did enjoy it, subscribe and leave a like. Thank you for watching through till the end, but let me tell you about our Discord. So on your screen you will be seeing the N2S Finance Discord. Obviously it is split into multiple sections. Basically at the top we have updates from me and all that kind of good stuff. If you scroll down a bit further we have the main sections where we focus on cryptos, SPACs and other hot stocks including penny stocks, even stable growth stocks as well, and we even have a special AMC GME chat. If you scroll down you can see some research and DD from the community. We also have funny memes and you can see actual contributions from members down here. And again, if you do join us, it is completely free, link is down below. But if you do want to become a Patreon, you will actually get a pink sticker which will be displayed on your name. So your name will come up in pink as mine comes up in red down here, and that will show that you are a Patreon. But other than that, guys, you can join completely for free down below. You do not have to pay anything if you do not want to. Thank you for watching, see you soon.